everybody, it's me, Lady T, and I know I haven't been recording in a while, but I'm here today to show you how I take this plain pink mask and turn it to a bling pink mask. That bling is popping. All right, pop, pop, pop. So as you can see, I have a piece of material there, pink, got it from Joann's, I believe. And the only tools that I've used on this was the Mod Podge, a sponge, and some glitter. So as you can see there, I'm pouring glitter on there. I guess you're like, what in the world? I'm pouring the glitter on, and I'm going to smooth it out. Let me just tell you all that this glitter I got on Amazon is from Darice, D-A-R-I-C-E. That's the way I pronounce it. It might be Darice, I don't know. But that glitter is extra fine and it's so popping. I love it. As you can see, I'm just spreading out the Mod Podge over the mask, and it's a little different. This is the first time I've done it on a mask. It's a little different working with Mod Podge on material for me. So it's it gets sticky really quick and it dries really quickly. This is why I'm trying to hurry up and do this part and put the Mod Podge on there. You have to make sure you spread it everywhere, the nooks, the crannies, everywhere. And right here I'm just adding more because I want to get complete coverage. And like I said, it does dry kind of quickly. It's different than doing it on paper or whatever else, but this is my first time doing it on actual material, and I see this drying very quickly. Of course, this is at 3 o'clock in the morning that I'm doing this. And you want to make sure that the Mod Podge is smoothed out, because if you leave any lines, any visible lines on the material, when you put the glitter on, you will definitely see those lines. And I saw a line on my mask, but I'm just going to put another coat on it and then do it that way. I just didn't want to bore you all with the, going over it again. I just really am doing this to show you how to apply glitter to a mask. This is my method. I haven't even watched anybody do this on YouTube, so I don't know. I guess people are doing it, but it's just something that I wanted to try. And I was actually making a mask for one of my nieces. She loves pink, so I figured I'd just give her a little bit more oomph to it. Now, if you look here, you can see all those streaks of the Mod Podge, and I don't like that. So I'm going to go back and smooth them out. This is what I was talking about. Those harsh lines that you see, if you don't smooth them out, it will definitely show in your glitter. And I actually do have a part that's showing. I still didn't flatten it out enough, but you get my point. So those harsher lines that you see me going over, those need to be completely smoothed out before you add the glitter, because it will show. And I'm just adding a generous amount of glitter. Again, this is Darice, D-A-R-I-C-E, extra fine glitter, and I just love it. And it's going, as you can see, it's shimmering already. I love the shimmer. This is why they call me Lady T, things that bling, honey. I like a bling bling. And I'm doing this so you can see that I need to get complete coverage on this material. And the places that it looks like you can still see through, I just go over it again with some glitter. And look at that, look at that. OMG, look at that shine. What? I love the way the glitter adheres to this material. It just sticks very well. Very well. And now this is the boring part. I don't even know why I didn't edit this out, but I'm just putting my lovely glitter back in the shaker jar. Yo, there was only $3.39, I believe, on Amazon. $3.39 for that jar. And as you can see, it does great with coverage. It's sparkly, it's shining, and you really, for $3.39, you can't go wrong. Look at all that glitter in that jar. But I gotta show you again. Oh, what? Lady T, you did that. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna put the mask together at some point, but I just wanted to show you this. I haven't been on for a while. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this video made you smile. All right, Lady T, signing out.